So as you see here, we have our bottom panel to our two tops. Again, same kind of system, but reverse. These have to go in first at the top, sliding the panel in on an angle upward. Should be something like this. No. There's 3 little pins that go underneath here. As you'll see, there's these 3 little holes. 1, 2, and 3, both on either side. It is good to open the fridge and have it on here so that way you're not tilting the fridge. Other than that, that's it. And that's how you install your new panels for your bespoke refrigerator. And I am Greg, signing off.